Hey guys, this is Q with Porsche North Olmsted, General Sales Manager, and here's our 2023 restoration project vehicle, 2007 Porsche 911 Targa 4. The idea we had this year with everyone on the team was we wanted to bring the Porsche Builder, as it is today, back in 2007. So you can go ahead and customize whatever you'd like on the Porsche Builder app, but in 2007 with some great features that Porsche had in 2007 for the 911 that a lot of people didn't know about. On Porsche Builder, you're able to choose different styles of wheels that the 911 offers, all the way from the base, GTS, the Targa, Targa GTS, and also the GT3. Here what we chose was our favorite Sport Classic restoration wheel for the 997.1. Another cool feature that we absolutely loved about this Targa was that it's one of the only 911s where you could actually lift the glass top up in the rear. Another great feature on this Targa 4 was the interior. It has the full leather package and also this exclusive wood grain interior. As we go back to the Porsche Builder 2007, another key feature we did was the aero kit front end on this vehicle, which you can do now on the newer 911s. Super excited to see everyone else's builds this year, 2023 in Chicago. Let the best team win.